Hi, everyone. My name is Boaz. I do business development at Treedis, but today I'm also going to be your local real estate agent selling you the apartment that you've been looking into. Now, it was a little bit challenging to try and cramp in over 200 Treedis features that we have on the platform in just 5 minutes. So I'm just going to talk about the top ones, the must-haves. And if you pay close attention, you'll probably pick up on some extra features that I won't be talking about today. So let's get straight to it. Welcome to the sandy beaches of Tel Aviv, the city that never sleeps. Before we jump into the apartment, I just want to kind of let you check out the environment. You might want to see the neighborhood, what the parking situation is, how far away the apartment is actually from the beach. We do this using our panorama solution, the Treedis panorama solution. And now we can jump straight in. So once we're in the apartment, I want to talk about leads. And there's nothing more satisfying for a real estate agent to just have those leads fall like rain into his inbox. And at Treedis, we have a few different ways to generate leads, such as lead forms, where guests fill out their information and send it. We have contact us buttons, mandatory lead forms. There's quite a few possibilities. And the leads get even better when we look at our advanced analytics. So advanced analytics, you can see the views, the average time in the tour, what people are clicking on in the tour, devices, what's the rush hour. You can actually see the conversion rate on those lead forms. And most importantly, our heat map, where you can actually see where people were looking, where they were going. So that way you can make sure that the highlights of the apartment, if it's a nice balcony or a huge bedroom, you can make sure that these are properly exposed to the end users. Now, going back here, I want to talk about our live video chat feature. Now, when I say live video chat feature, the first thing that comes to mind is ice cream. And I'll explain. When I was a young boy, my favorite ice cream flavor was chocolate, and I would only order chocolate. And then one time I went into the shop and there was no chocolate. So the guy said, "Why don't you try strawberry?" So I said, "Okay, let's try strawberry." And ever since, strawberry became my top favorite. Even if there is chocolate, I still choose strawberry. So I think that real estate agents, they've been used to kind of running around town, showing apartments, maybe managing to cramp in 3 or 4 apartments in one day. And with the live video chat feature, they can now cramp in 3 to 4 apartments in half an hour. So this came up in COVID. COVID restrictions kind of came to the world and said, okay, no more chocolate flavor for you. You have to think of something else. And that's when we came up with our strawberry flavor ice cream, which is the live video chat. And you can see here that I can host guests. I can use the chat function to write down notes. I can share my screen to just share some paperwork, important paperwork. I can lock the location of the guest and have them walk with me, or I can unlock them and let them walk around freely in the tour. And you can see here we have multiple guests that can log on. So the young couple looking for an apartment can also have the in-laws coming in on the call. Did I say 30-minute meeting? I think that becomes a 45-minute meeting right there. And this is easy to do just by scheduling. You can book your appointment. There's available time slots. You just request your booking, and that syncs in with your email and your calendar. And then the final point I want to talk about is virtual staging. So this apartment is really nice, but it's a little bit too naked. So we're just going to jump up to the bedroom, and I want you to see this wonderful, wonderfully staged bedroom. By the way, the whole house is actually staged. And you can see here that the TV is also running, so there's no more black screens or mirrors. You can use all this empty, dead real estate and actually put some cool clips on it. It can also be some advertising clips of your partner or your company. You can also add images. So this image can actually have an action attached to it. So if I click here, it's just going to open up the Facebook page of your favorite local real estate agent. And I think that's pretty much it.